अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाँ वो थोड़ा नहीं किया था, अभी अभी तुरंत ऑन किया मैं। ठीक। मैं अभी देता हूँ, नहीं दिया हूँ मैं, अभी दे रहा हूँ। हाँ, ठीक।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, my voice is clear to you all. My voice is good. You can able to hear me now.
Yes, my answer. Walaikum salam. We are able to hear your voice clearly.
Okay. Shall I start? Or
Yeah,
else we have to wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. You can wait.
Okay.
One, two, three. Only three students.
Shahid, kindly put a message in group to join
O-
immediately.
Okay, my answer. Okay.
Yeah, Aisha Siddiqa, I didn't receive up till your assignments and our Sayyid Nazimuddin. You also, I did not receive your any assignment and AutoCAD commands notes. And what about Qayyum Faiz? You did not submit your assignment. I think you submitted your AutoCAD notes. And Fahama, what about you? You
Yes,
sent
sir,
your
completed.
assignment or not
But
today?
hello,
Yeah, we can able to hear. Tell me.
completed, sir. I have to send the picture.
Okay. You send it in group?
No, I'll send it now.
Okay, okay. What about Aisha Siddiqa?
Yes, sir.
Aisha Siddiqa, can you speak it louder? I could not able to hear your voice. Nothing will happen. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Submitted. Notes लिखे sir.
Sorry, we could not able to hear your voice.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam warahmatullah.
लिखे नोट सर सबमिट करना है
But what about your assignment?
सर असाइनमेंट सर लैपटॉप में कंप्यूटर नहीं है
Okay, okay. But you have to
यस
practice in
सर
the system, na? After this
यस
class
सर
was finishing, or else after course will finish, how you can able to do?
यस सर करते सर कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप किसी
Okay, try to submit your assignment or else try to practice in system. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
What about our Sayyid Naimuddin? What happened, sir?
सर हाँ
We
अस्सलाम
could
वालेकुम
not
सर।
able to receive. Walaikum salam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We could
सर
not able
मैं
to
नोट्स
receive
कंप्लीट किया हूँ,
get
नोट्स
notes
कंप्लीट किया हूँ
assignment.
तो हाँ असाइनमेंट सर वो ज़रा प्रॉब्लम है उसमें, वो नहीं मिला अभी तक। मैं आपके पास से आके लेने वाला हूँ लेकिन 2 दिन नहीं आ सका आपके पास।
Okay.
अलखैर आके लेना था, नहीं आ सका। इंशाल्लाह
Okay.
कल आके ले लूँगा।
Okay. Okay. If you guys you don't have any AutoCAD software, you can able to take from Al Khair. Okay. Okay. No issue. But
इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह।
still our classes are going to finish. Try to submit at least notes also.
यस सर, यस सर, आई विल सेंड।
Okay. Uh, Shahid, shall we start or else we have to wait?
Yes, Manan sir. Tell me.
We have to wait or else
Wait.
tell
No,
me.
no, no. Just start right now, sir. We have no more time. 8:40
Okay.
हो चुके. हाँ.
Okay. 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 I'm starting my class today. Okay. See guys, you can able to see my screen. Yesterday we did this work, okay? And I told you to submit this section, but I didn't receive from anyone. Okay, just you have to compare both the section and both the plans. Okay, in this plan we already shown in section some text. Okay, yesterday I told you to submit this section text. Okay, you can able to see over here what I write it and send to you. Okay, anyhow you have to submit this section as an assignment. Okay, you have to see this section and which kind of text write it in this section section you have to write it over here. Okay, now yesterday we did one room section. Today you guys remember this drawing, okay, this plan. Few days ago we did in this plan we used command as a chamfer. Okay, how we have to uh, create this corner lines. Now today we will draw for this line as a section. Okay, yesterday we draw for only one room, one section. Now we will draw for this whole plan. Okay, you guys can able to watch. See, if you have any kind of doubts ongoing class, you can able to ask. You can able to unmute your mic and ask me. I'll clear your doubts. Okay, see, now I'm taking just one line. See here, TR double enter, sorry, TR enter, another enter. See, I'm removing this whole lines.
Sir, by line command, you are taking the line.
Yeah, by using line command, I took this line. Okay, now I'm removing this whole drawing, which showing on the below line. We have to keep this above plan. We have to remove this below line below whole drawing. We have to remove it for showing section. Okay, see, now I'm using vertical line by using command X line. Okay, X line, and here I want vertical. Just I am pressing V, enter, shortcut key of vertical. Okay, just I am selecting the corner points See, okay. Now I'm taking this door opening over here. Okay, we have to select these corners only. If here the door opening is there, you have to take, and here one cutting is coming, you have to take this window corner also. Okay, then you have to take this one. Okay, now I'll enter offset. What is the value of foundation 1? Yesterday I given in section. You guys can able to see in PDF and tell me. That is 0.6. Okay, I'm taking two times. I'm taking foundation 1 and 2. Okay, now what is our building height? It was 3 meters. Okay, and what is our parapet wall height? 0.9. Okay, now just I'm selecting trim command using selecting first object, then again enter. I'm removing whole lines. Same thing over here. Okay, now just I'm moving. First we have to create foundations using PL line. What is the value? 0.05. Yesterday we given over here. Now here 0.6. Again 0.05. Again 0.6. 0.05. 0.6. 0.05. Then 0.6. Okay, you have to joint over here, selecting by both the sides. Now you have to copy it, which part you are providing foundations, that side you have to show this one. Okay, now for this we have to create. Why? Because this is inner wall and this is outer wall. Both the wall size was different. Okay, that's why we have to create here another one. 0.05, 0.6, 0.05, then 0.6. Again 0.05, 0.6, 0.05, 0.6. Okay, we have to join J and now we have to make a trim over here. TR single enter by using whole objects. Sorry, we have to show here line. Yesterday I told you we did not have to show this kind of openings. Just we have to show continuation. For continuation we have this side. This is our compound wall. Okay. See. Now you have to remove this one and this one. You have to delete this. Okay. Now what is the size of our main door? That was 1.95. Bahama, see here, 1.95.
Yes,
Our door height. See, this one, this is main door. We are giving here. Okay. Now we have to trim. And here you have to see, here one door was coming. And here also. Can anyone tell me, I forgot something over here. Can anyone can tell me what is the thing which I forgot? Waiting for your response. Here we forgot slab level 0.15. Okay, this you have to move it 0.15. Okay, no need to confuse. When I ask, just give me the answer. If you people are calm means I think that you guys could not able to understand my class. If it is wrong, no problem. We are sitting to learn over here. Okay, no need to worry. See, I'm joining these lines. Here one window is there, offset 1.2. Okay, then again a filter emitter. See, this window opening I am showing, and this is our door. Okay, door opening. Here, else we have to continue. J enter. See, this is here I am showing here I am taking multi-line command again. See here, this is one door, this is window. Okay, this is door and this door and this door, and here some arc opening is there. Okay, here window is there. Okay, offset you have to show, you have to give 1.2 per window. Again multi-line command. Okay, now you have to trim this one, flit it, flit for this line, and you have to trim this line. Again you have to take offset 0.15. Sorry, 0.15. Okay, See here. Now you have to show here parapet wall. Okay, this line. You guys are thinking that why we are not providing here parapet wall? Why we are providing here? Why? Because I'll show you. See, when we are cutting a section, our slab is coming like this. Okay, this part. See here, our slab was coming like this. Okay, in this area, our slab is not coming. Okay, that's why I am showing slab area this side. This is our parapet wall, and here you can able to see. Here in this area we could not able to cut anything. Okay, we are not showing any kind of line like this. Okay, we are showing in center. We are showing in building center. That's why we are showing in this area parapet wall. This is our slab level line. That's why I'm making continue. And why I am using this line? This line is coming for turning. Okay, for turning. That's why I'm showing. Okay.
Sir,
Now here also same thing. Tell me first, what happened?
sir, parapet wall, what?
This is you saw when you are going on terrace, means when you are going on top of the floor. If your building is a G+1, means ground plus first floor, you are going on second floor, which slab is not there. Okay. On that floor you can able to see surrounding the slab we will provide at least 3 feet wall. That wall called as parapet wall. Okay, this wall called as parapet wall. This called as our brick wall. Okay, now I am showing only here brick wall. After that we have to place columns. Okay, now we are showing here only brick wall. See, here we have to show one gate. That's why we have to give here multi-line command. And this is your ground level. Okay, from here you are giving staircase value, that is this is your staircase, or else you took just ramp. Ramp means that is a slope. Just you took like this. Okay,
Sir, for crossing the line, which is
only line command only. See, I'm taking line command. Just you have to off the ortho F8. When you off the F8, you can able to cross. If you, when you off on the ortho, the line is straight. Okay, just you have to click anywhere on down. Okay, the line automatically it will come cross. Now, yesterday
okay,
we did
sir.
some hashing. Okay, hashing means we shown here a brick wall.
Hash command, H
In this
enter, na,
wall,
sir.
yeah, we shown here some lines and here some concrete. Okay, same like this. H enter, shortcut key, H enter. This side you have to select a concrete. See, yeah, concrete. Okay, you have to click it over here and select. Again you have to select the object. Here you can able to reduce your the hash value. How much we will provide 0.05. Okay, if you want again some less value means you can able to give 0.025. Okay, you can able to see here. Again same thing, hash we are doing hash here. We are showing you slope na. You have to give here also. Okay. Now I am just matching, selecting this. Okay. At one time only I am matching whole concrete. Okay. Now again we are doing hash for brick wall. You just select some lines like this. Okay. Just you have to select these lines. Okay. If it is too big, just you have to reduce the value. You can able to give 0.5. Enter. See the line size was changed. If you want to change the size, again you have to do 0.25. See, this value is good. Then again we are selecting hash command. See here and here, this part, and this part. Okay. Now just you have to match. Shortcut key was MA. Okay. See, now in this drawing we have to show the slab level dimension. See, one more command is there. Yesterday I did not show you. See, now our dimension value was too big. Okay, we have to reduce this text size. That was edit. Okay, again I'll show ed. What is ed? Did edit. Okay, I'm selecting this object and I selected whole text. If you want to reduce the size, you can able to reduce from here. Okay, see, I will give here value 0.1.
Sir, can you show again?
What? See, 0.1.
Can you show again, sir?
I'll show again. See, ed shortcut key was this dimension addition. I selected whole text and I given here 0.1. Enter it. See, you can able to, and I will took now another dimension. You can able to see the value. See what is the size between both. Okay, it's easy to reduce the size, but if you if you want to keep the same dimension, you can able to keep. Okay. Now here again dimension for this one, the slab thickness. Okay, and this is your parapet wall height. You have to show. Okay, sorry, this is your compound wall. Parapet wall was this one. Okay, and same you have to add over here text. Same text here you can able to see. This is our foundation one. Same thing here, you have to keep it over here. See, this is foundation 1 and 2. As it is, you have to copy and paste it over here, there. And see, If it is overlapping, just you have to move the text this side. Okay. This one also the same. Let's see if it is getting overlap. Okay. The same thing again. Yes, you have to select and paste. Okay. What else is there left? Okay, this one also you have to show. See, here it's window. Okay, this text. This is your foundation 1 and this is your foundation 2. This is basement level and there is plinth level. Okay, plinth level also you have to show. Okay, see, like this. Again, same thing. This is your plan and this is your section. If you want to give same section AA name like this, AA, from AA we are going to cut and here showing a section AA. Yeah guys, for today's class you guys have any kind of doubts? If you have any kind of doubts you can able to ask. Why? Because tomorrow onwards we are not doing in meters, we are doing in feet. Tomorrow class was very new class. Okay, this is the meters last class today. If you have any doubts in meters,
Sir, can you show the diagram clearly?
this drive. Okay, this you want to see this section or else this plan?
Plan, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I'll show you. See, this plan already I sended you. Okay, you have this plan.
Just now,
This one. No need to worry. I'll send this drawing in our group. Okay. You guys can able to take a PDF from our group. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. For regarding for today's class, you guys have any kind of doubts? You can able to ask me. Why? Because tomorrow onwards we will not do the work in meters. We will do work in feet. This is our meters last class today's. Okay. You guys can able to understand my class. Today's class you guys can able to understand. If you have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask. Okay, then quickly you guys have to submit your assignment. Try to submit your assignment. Okay, on
Very,
time.
very fast.
I am going very fast. Guys, I am going very fast. Why? Because this is an online class, na? If you are you are in institute, I can able to take it slowly. How you can able to draw in meters, how you can able to draw in feet, how much it need time it will take. But this is online class, na? If
Guys,
you
we are
have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask me. Okay. In separate, you can able to call me or else you can message me if you have any kind of doubts today's class, or else in meter setting you have any kind of doubts related to meters, you can able to ask me in separate. Okay. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. Up till then, Allah Hafiz. We'll meet tomorrow. Our class was finished at this moment. Allah Hafiz.
okay, class. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz to everyone.